There's no better way to shorten your time in the kitchen than with smart kitchen appliances. With every invention, it feels like we get a glimpse of what it's like to be a Jetson. As a result, even the most basic things we use on a day-to-day basis have become pretty advanced and a quick prime shipment away. It was just a few years ago that voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant weren't common things to have in your home. And now apps and voice assistants can control everything from your light bulbs to your refrigerator. Your mornings can be transformed by a clever machine that remembers just how you like your coffee. You can talk to your microwave or control your meat thermometer from your phone. Even your beloved Instant Pot is, or at least can be, smarter than you think, with Wi-Fi capability. Number 10. Black Plus Decker Bev Cocktail Maker Machine. If you're used to being the bartender at your dinner parties, hand over the duties to this cocktail maker machine that can craft a delicious drink in 3 steps. You can choose from over 40 drinks from the Bartesian variety of syrup-based capsules. These have to be purchased separately, with base spirits tequila, vodka, rum, or whiskey. What's even better? Feel free to turn on party mode for LED show on your bar cart. Number 9. Cosori 5.8 Quart Smart Air Fryer. It seems like no kitchen is complete without an air fryer these days, so you might as well have one that makes your life as easy as possible. Reviewers love the lack of guesswork with all the presets and its large crisper drawer. This air fryer champions hands-free control, with both an app that monitors cooking time and voice control, so you can adjust the temperature through your Amazon Echo. Number 8. Samsung Bespoke 4-Door French Door Refrigerator. This is but one of Samsung's line of smart fridges equipped with Family Hub and Alexa compatibility. Family Hub is basically like having a tablet screen built into your fridge door that also works as a memo board, and you can all access it from your phones. Plus, the fridge has a built-in camera, so if you're ever out at the grocery store wondering if you have enough eggs at home, you can just take a peek inside from your phone. Number 7. Chefman 10 liters Multifunction Digital Air Fryer. At 10 liters, this is the ultimate air fryer for family-sized affairs and next-level convenience. With 17 different presets to cook everything from French fries to cake, it's a great supplement to an oven during holiday cooking. Make rotisserie chicken that's crispy on all sides without needing an expensive specialty machine. There's even a dehydrator setting, perfect to turn overflow from the farmer's market into grab-and-go snacks. Number 6. GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. Swanson, our culinary enthusiast, enthusiastically put this innovative indoor countertop smoker to the test, particularly when preparing a mouth-watering prime rib. What won him over was the enchanting low and slow flavor infusion that this smoker effortlessly achieved. The beauty of it all. You don't need a backyard or an expansive outdoor setup to capture that authentic pit barbecue taste. Number 5. Uncommon Goods Automatic Pan Stirrer. If your recipe calls for constant stirring, this gadget will save your arm and let you step away from the stove. Stop babysitting your roux and free up a hand to prep the other parts of the recipe. Choose between a rechargeable or battery-powered model and get 3.5 to 9 hours of stirring power. You're better off using this with a low-heat liquid, though. Number 4. Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker. Here's a gadget you'll come to over and over whether you're looking for a milkshake, a dairy-free treat, or sorbet. You can create your own ice cream flavor and pause the machine to add your favorite toppings along the way. Its technology breaks down a frozen block of your desired base and turns it into a creamy treat with one touch of a button. Number 3. Hodo Smart Kitchen Scale. The Smart Scale with an LED screen is the best tool for precise measurements. It'll read in grams, milliliters, ounces, and pounds, and save measurements so you know you have the perfect balance. A smartphone app makes measuring ingredients in the kitchen so much easier, whether it's the perfect amount of cat food, a balanced pour-over coffee, or a fresh loaf of bread. Number 2. Vitamix Food Cycler FC50. This automatic composter reduces food waste and mess to break down food to 1/10 of its original volume in just a few hours. The carbon filter lid reduces odors, and with its compact size, you can fit it anywhere in your kitchen. The waste basket is dishwasher safe, and it even has a quiet cycle. Number 1. Cooking 2-Slice High-Speed Smart Toaster. Yes, smart toasters really do exist. This particular toaster from Revolution boasts being the first ever touch-screen toaster. Plus, it features smart cooking sensors that perfectly toast bread, bagels, waffles, toaster pastries, and English muffins to your liking. It also has a 15-second reheat function for when your toast gets cold. And there you have it. Our top 10 picks for new gadgets and smart appliances for your kitchen, all available on Amazon. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a kitchen transforming update. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!